Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the back plastic windshield I got with the Hisun Access 500. I'm going to try to keep some of the dust off during the summertime and a little bit of the weather elements out when you're out riding if it's raining or whatever. I got it right here. We'll open this thing up. Alright, we're going to get this thing out of the package here. I'm going to show y'all how to put it on. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, hope y'all can see. Let's put this windshield on, back windshield on here. Pretty easy to do. Got Velcro tabs here and got some little loops you just run them through, run them over the roll bar. And Velcro it back. Tilt this bed back. Put these others here in the bottom. try here. Alright, just kind of stretch that thing tight and we'll hook the rest of these up. Be in business here. Alright, that pretty much does it right there for it. Take that off there. Alright, get that bed closed back. I'll redo that top corner there and get that worked out of it. Alright, there it is, everybody. It's on there. Once it gets a little warm out, it's kind of cold out, so once it warms up, that plastic will flatten on out more. It does pretty good. It's going to do the job. It'll keep the wind out, dirt out, a little dust. It's got a zipper here. You can unzip it from the inside here or the outside. Unzip it. It's got the tie downs in here. You can roll it up, snap it at the top, keep it out of the way, and if you want the air to flow through, you can. Or you can leave it down and keep the elements of the weather out on you. Take a look at it here on the inside here. Alright. Alright, everybody, there that is. I'll be doing some more upgrades, and as I do them, I'll show you all how to do it. I know you couldn't watch everything on here how to do it, but like I said, it's got some real heavy duty Velcro right here, straps. They Velcro in here and down here on the bottom down there. So, alright, that does it for the day. If you already hadn't liked or subscribed, please go ahead and do so. If you like these kind of videos, hit that like button and please subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. If y'all have any comments or questions, feel free to ask below. I got this off of Amazon.com. I think it was like 40 bucks or something like that. It wasn't very expensive at all, but like I say, it'll help keep the weather out. Appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all very much.